of Junk Monkey Paint Company. Yeah, that view, right? Was that not beautiful? Oh my goodness. Today is a very special vlog for you guys because I'm so excited. And going through a lot of footage that I've collected, I came across this bucket of footage, this file of footage from my last trip back home to my home in the Great White North, to Scie, Newfoundland, Atlantic Canada. Positively beautiful. Now, if you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I love shabby, I love distressed, I love weathered, and you can probably figure out why after you see the place that I'm from. This is where I grew up. And on this day of this vlog that I took in September of 2018, that's the last time I was home, my dad takes me on a trip in his side-by-side and we go to what's called the High Lookout. So I gotta tell you, this is where I grew up, picking along the shores. I love me some sea glass, I love finding starfish, I love seeing jellyfish, I love watching the boats come in, come out the harbor. My dad, of course, was a fisherman all his life. So the ocean is a beautiful place for me. I know its power, I know its beauty. When I get to the ocean, that's when I feel like I am home. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you want to get a sense of maybe why I create like I create, give it the windswept look, and meet my dad too. He's a pretty amazing man, and I love him dearly. And if you've moved away from home, you too know the pull of home. I feel like I'm standing at the top of the world right now. This is nothing but open, rugged coastline right here. I'm out today trying to see if I can see me a mermaid. Now you know why I always want to be a mermaid, right? You guys get it, figured out. So isn't this awesome? Like, look at all this beautiful coastline. Whew! All right, yeah, I can tell you. I'm being honest when I say these are treasured video clips. And if you've moved away from home, you too know the pull of going back. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Home is always home, no matter how far you travel. And I am a pretty proud person to say that that is where I come from. I'd love to know where you guys are watching from today. Would you be so kind to leave me a comment below and tell me where you grew up? I want to know. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for giving me a big thumbs up, and like I said, leaving me a comment below. I'm a daily vlogger, so I will be back again tomorrow. You guys take care. Bye.